Welcome to the topic series. Today we're talking about the new climbing safety helmets. This one happens to be a Kask, and the accessories that we've built to fit it. This is our new weight compensating bracket, WCB-CSK. We have to have a unique model number for each one of the different types of climbing safety helmets that are in the market because these helmets are so different. What we've done here is that we've created a bracket that once attached to the helmet will bring the face shield up, and in the stowed position it'll be relatively balanced on the top of the helmet. This bracket also has these very unique shaped helmet adapters that fit into the slots that you see on the sides here. These have a press to release feature so that you can easily press in when you want to remove it, and for putting it into the slot, you just push it down into the slot and it'll snap into position. I suggest that you take the face shield and attach the face shield that you want to use to the bracket first. It's very easy to attach these face shields. They utilize what's called the lever lock system. So the face shield attaches to the interior of the bracket. You snap it over the two keyholes at the ends and then bring the shield up and into the bracket. In this case, I've just put on an IM22-L6FW. This is a very popular industrial shield, 10 inches by 20 inches, clear and polycarbonate. And now I want to attach it to my Kask helmet. Take the helmet, place it to the inside, and then press the helmet adapter into the slot, and it'll snap right into that slot. That easily, we've now accessorized this helmet with a Paulson clear face shield that it has a weight compensating bracket. Now when I bring this up, the shield goes back at the same time and locks into the up position, into the stowed position. You'll see that the face shield is approximately even with the front of the helmet. And then I'm going to demonstrate, I've got the shield and the helmet stowed position balancing on the tip of my finger. You could never do that if you had a face shield that was attached, that was hanging out 6 to 8 inches in front of the helmet. This is an excellent feature. One-handed operation, brings it down and deployed, ready to run. Now I'd like to demonstrate how to remove this product from the helmet. So, as I had mentioned, we call it press to release. So on the interior of the helmet, you would push in on the adapter and push it up with your thumb on both sides. Remove it up out of the helmet and store this so it's ready for the next time. There's the complete assembly. Now let's talk for a moment about these other face shields that we have here. I'm demonstrating that we have a shade 5 green. This would be an IM22-L6F5W. We have a Cobalt Shield. This Cobalt Shield is meant to absorb the bright glare that is on the surface of molten steel. And we have a gold shield for heat reflection. This is just showing a group of shields that are popular that would be able to be used with this helmet as an accessory utilizing this bracket.